Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I'm gonna talk about the best free affiliate marketing training for beginners. So if you're a beginner and know nothing how to start your affiliate marketing business and you're looking for free affiliate marketing training, then yes, this video is for you. In this video I'm gonna talk about this free affiliate marketing training that you can go and watch for free, guys, right? But guys, before telling this, I just want to say that guys, I have my own ebook that is Affiliate Commission Secrets, right? And in this ebook I have also revealed about affiliate marketing, or you can say I have revealed that how you can build your affiliate marketing business step by step, right? So yes, if you want to read my book, right, so down below I have put the link, you can go and check out, right? So okay, now without any delay, let me talk about your free affiliate marketing training for beginners that you can go and watch, right? So guys, here I'm talking about affiliate bootcamp, guys. It's a training by Russell Brunson, guys, right? Or you can say guys, it's a summit, guys. It's a summit where you can say almost 16, if I count, there are, you can say, 16 super affiliates, guys, and they are, you can say, around 6 to 7 figure earner. So in that summit, guys, they have revealed their strategy to start affiliate marketing business step by step, and they all are, guys, ClickFunnels dream car winner, guys, right? So they have revealed their strategy step by step, guys, right? So yes, guys, if you're serious and looking for a training where you are going to learn about affiliate marketing, then yes, this affiliate bootcamp summit is for you, guys. And yes, guys, not only you are going to learn from 16 best super affiliates, you are also going to learn from Russell Brunson, guys. He has also revealed his strategy to start affiliate marketing business or to promote affiliate product, guys, right? So as you can see that, guys, in first video he has shown his strategy, guys, that what he will do, guys, to promote affiliate stuff or to promote ClickFunnels stuff, guys, right? So he has shown his strategy.
Now, a couple of things before we get started. I want to make you guys kind of an intro training video to first off get your foundation set, get everything right before I introduce you to all of our super affiliates. Now, we have an amazing group of people who I'm giving you access to, but before so you have to figure out with your skill set, your talent. Talks about there's so much blood in the water.
So here he's just showing his strategy, guys.
Okay, if you want to have success, it's like you're doing funnels for who? So funnels.
So guys, if you're serious, guys, then yes, I would highly recommend you go and go through this training, guys, right? If you can, yes, you can watch the training of all super affiliates. But guys, if you don't want to be overwhelmed with so much information, then yes, I would recommend you pick 1 or 2 experts and go with their training, go with their strategy and implement, guys. This is very, very important, guys. I see that most people fail in affiliate marketing business. Why? Because they buy so many trainings, they go through so many trainings, but they don't implement, guys. So guys, don't be that very person, guys. Yes, you can go with this training, and yes, this affiliate bootcamp summit is absolutely free, guys. I will put the link down below, guys. You can go and join for this you can say affiliate bootcamp summit, guys, right, for free, guys.
And now it takes them to the ClickFunnels page. It gives them the free funnel.
But guys, you can say around, like, when you join for this affiliate bootcamp summit, every day you are going to get the training in your email of, you can say, every expert, guys, right, one by one, right? So yes, you need to watch you can say the training, like I think till 4 days, right? I think within 4 days or 5 days you need to you can say watch the training, and if you don't, then yes, you can say link will be gone, guys, right? But guys, you have another option. Actually they are offering, you can say, this training for life, you can say access to this training for life when you join one funnel away challenge, right? So as you can see that, guys, I have enrolled to one funnel away challenge. This is another, you can say, best training, guys, where you are going to learn about how to start your online business step by step, so you can sell your own stuff or someone else stuff as an affiliate marketer like me, right? So when you join this one funnel away challenge, then yes, you will be having access to this training for life, guys. So anytime you want to watch, then yes, you can go and watch this affiliate bootcamp summit training, guys. But guys, when you go through its free way, then yes, you will be having access to this training for a limited time, guys, right? So yep, like, you know, around 4 days or 5 days, I think you will be getting links to the training, but after that there will be no link will be gone, guys, right? So yep, whatever you have to, you can say, a training that you want to watch, then yes, you need to watch within 4 or 5 days, guys. Right, guys? So yes, you can see that, guys. Then there is another Steve J. Larson's training, guys. In this training, he has revealed his strategy, guys, right, to build affiliate marketing business, right? Dave Gambriel, he's another super affiliate, right? He has revealed his strategy, guys, right? Then there is Rachel Patterson. She has revealed her strategy, right, to build affiliate marketing business, right? And there is Jim Edwards, right? He is copywriting expert. So here in this training, he has revealed his strategy, guys, right?
To their problem, whatever questions they have,
you can
click
see he's a
funnels
copywriting
is
expert,
the
guys,
answer.
right?
Whatever roadblocks they're facing.
And there is another one, Greg Jeffries, right? So he is more into SEO, right? Search engine optimization, right? So yeah, if you want to learn about, you can say, how to do affiliate marketing doing SEO, then yes, this training is for you, guys, right? You can go and watch his training, guys, right? He has revealed his strategy, right? And there is another guy, Jacob Carris. He's also 7-figure earner, and he is ClickFunnels dream car winner. So yep, he has revealed his strategy in that training, guys, right? And Dana Derricks, he has revealed his strategy about affiliate marketing. And so you can see that, guys, there are, you can say, super affiliates, and they have revealed their strategy, guys, right, to start affiliate marketing business. And Spencer Macomb, he is a ClickFunnels super affiliate, or you can say #1 affiliate, guys. ClickFunnels, he has made over 3 million, guys, in affiliate commission, in ClickFunnels affiliate commission. So yep, in that training, he's going to reveal his strategy, guys, right, that you can go and watch, guys, right? So guys, you can say Spencer Macomb, then Marley Bayard, right? She has revealed her strategy to start affiliate marketing business, right? And then there J.R. Rivas, right? He has revealed his strategy. You can see, guys, it's training. And then there is Josh Rhodes, the simple agency approach to 100+ affiliates in 100 days. Yep. So he is more into agency, right? So
you have
you can see
opportunity to chase a lot of rabbits, and then group sell,
right? And Billy Jane, right? He's more into you can say advertising, right? Paid ads. So he has revealed his strategy, right? In that.
Well, if they see it, you
can see that, guys.
Can be used to get her listened, so you can use it for your
right.
business. Click.
Or you can. So Peng Jun, guys, right? You might have, you can say, known to him, guys, right? Peng Jun, right? So he has revealed his strategy about affiliate marketing, guys, right? So guys, in this affiliate bootcamp summit, guys, these 16, right, 16 super affiliates, they have revealed their strategy that is working for them, guys, and by applying the strategy they are 6 to 7 figure earner, they are super affiliate, and they are ClickFunnels dream car winner, guys, right? So yep, guys, as I told you guys, right, this affiliate bootcamp summit is absolutely free. Down below I have put the link, you can go and check out. And yes, if you want access for this summit for life, then yes, you need to join one funnel level challenge, and for that you need to invest $100, right? One time investment, guys, right? But guys, yep, if you go through one funnel level challenge, then yes, from my personal experience I can say that, guys, this is gonna be one of the best investment of your precious time as well as your precious money, right? So yep, if you are serious, then yes, I would highly recommend you go and invest in this one funnel level challenge, right? If you can't afford $100, then yes, you can go with this affiliate bootcamp summit, guys, right? So yep, guys, whatever training that you pick for, whatever you can say experts that you choose, guys, I would highly recommend you guys just pick one or two and go through their training and implement, guys. This is very, very important, guys. Again, I'm telling you, implement, guys, what you learn in that free summit, guys, right? In that free training, if you want to see results, guys, this is very, very important, guys, right? So yep, you can watch yeah, it's up to you, guys. You can watch all as super affiliate training, right? All super affiliate training, or you can also watch Russell Brunson's training too, guys, right? So yes, guys, now you know best free affiliate marketing training for beginners, guys, right? And yes, if you have any questions, then yes, you can ask your questions down below. I will try my level best to give you the answer, guys, right? And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. Down below there is a red button, go and click on that. And yes, if you want, you can say more training on affiliate marketing, then yes, go and hit that bell notification button so that you can get notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing, right? So yes, guys, this is all about for today, right? So thank you so much for watching. Love you, have a nice day. Bye bye.